It only takes these parts to make it. A manual suction pump for launching a vacuum cannon. Want to drill a pagoda fitting for the plug. Convenient for connecting the air intake hose. Use a drill bit one size smaller than the outer diameter to drill a hole in the PVC plug. PVC is not hard either. You can screw in the pagoda fitting directly without tapping. This is the air inlet. Also need to install a check valve for it. Allow air to enter only and not exit. This rubber sheet can be used to complete it. These two pieces are all drilled with low holes. Can accommodate the protruding threaded part. Drip on 502. Stick them together. This is the base of the check valve. 502 glue only on one side. Use a piece of the same size. Paste a slightly thinner 5-hole rubber sheet. Make a skateboard. A simple check valve is ready. Press it down and it will close. Pull it up and it will open a circle. Apply super glue. Bring the valve over and stick it in place. It looks quite nice. You can apply PVC adhesive. Stick it at the 5 cm mark. A 40 cm long PVC pipe. One end is used as the cylinder tube. Also, a hole needs to be drilled on the side of the film. Air sucked into the cylinder. It will be discharged through this hole. Similarly, apply a ring of strong adhesive to it. Also, attach a one-way valve, allowing air to only exit and not enter. This bonding surface is curved. So, using this slightly thinner rubber sheet looks better, right? Opening and closing are both normal. The cylinder part of the vacuum pump is done. Get a stopper slightly smaller than the cylinder's inner diameter, making the piston. Need to machine a groove on it. Only by fitting the seal can the air be sealed. If it's ground to the cutting bed, you can also use an electric drill instead. Wrap it with tape. Turning it will also be able to use the driveway. It doesn't matter if you don't have it. Using this rat tail file is the same. It's just a bit slower. Can be done in less than half an hour. Look, the effect is still very good. The main thing is that this O-ring is too thick. Otherwise, it wouldn't take so long to grind. The latter is also good. More wear resistant. Avoid frequent replacement. Get a PVC pipe 50 centimeters long to make the piston rod. Apply glue. Stick it to the piston. Insert the suction hose into the pagoda. Straight through to here. The main parts of the vacuum pump are basically completed. The base and handle still need to be made. Use this reducing joint to connect the cylinder and the flange base. Squeezed inside. It's not needed here. Need to remove it. Put it on the drill press. Use the drill bit as a knife to gnaw it off around the edge. You must hold it steady during this operation. I'm not kidding. Not perfectly cut. It would be better to sand it with coarse sandpaper. 10 centimeters flange at the bottom, as a base. The middle is sealed. Turn it over. Just knock it off with a hammer. A short PVC pipe is used to connect the flange and the reducing joint. Need to saw off a section of it. Leave space for the exhaust valve. Don't throw away the sawed-off pieces yet. Install it back in the opposite direction for support. This thing is hard to install. Okay. Simple. Apply glue. I'm going to install it into the mirror street. Sometimes the scraps can support the adhesive in place. Otherwise, it will shrink back. After the glue dries, you can remove it. Apply the special glue. Connect it to the side of the flange base. Then drill another hole. You can pass the hose through here. Say ha. Put the cylinder in a circle. Apply the special glue. We just step on it. When pulling, be sure to align the check valve with the notch. The hose comes out from the side. The base is complete. Use it to make a limiter for the piston rod. Put it in first. Add a plug pipe to this end. Seal the upper drill press. Drill through the side of the plug. Press on a smooth wooden stick. The handle is done. Coater bearing grease out. Apply it to the cylinder tube opening. Apply it to the piston as well. Align the position and slowly push it in. You can tilt it a little, then rotate it a bit. Too much lubrication. Wipe it clean with a paper towel. Carve the limiter onto the cylinder tube opening. 3 self-tapping screws can fix the piston well. Limiter, fixed with screws. It will also be easy to replace if problems occur later. With it, pulling the piston won't make it come off. Finally, connect the hose with a 3-way connector. Add a vacuum gauge to monitor the pressure. A high-suction manual vacuum pump is completed. Let's test the effect. Its overall shape and operation method are similar to an air pump, except that it doesn't blow air, but sucks air. Look, this bubble wrap puffs up with one pump. Pumping again makes it puff up even more. Pump a few more times and it bursts. Let's pump a classic marshmallow. This is the most common demonstration method for vacuum pressure. See that? It gets bigger and bigger. It's expanding. The internal air overflows. Let's return it to normal pressure. Let's see what happens when air enters. See that? It deflated. The air inside the marshmallow has been removed. It will be directly flattened by atmospheric pressure. Look, it's all crumpled up. Let's take the manual vacuum pump outside to play. Same as last time. Put the projectiles into the PVC pipe. Seal both ends with aluminum foil. Maintain the seal. Operate the vacuum pump to remove the air from the tube. Your neck is dented. Yeah, that's about it. Get ready to fire.